back at our favorite place, the airport. First travel namin to together. Na kaming dalawa lang. Nakailang beses sila ni Tetsi, no? Maraming beses na. So first time namin to go is friends kami simula pa ng university. Ilang taon na kayo magkaibigan. So we're gonna spend Christmas in Rome. We're here. We're gonna look for... Okay, take two. We're here in Rome na. Pero kailangan namin mag-train pa center. Tapos yung train station naman, diretso na siya sa area kung saan kami nakabook.
Reported in Roma, kindly.
Kaya nga, chicken. Oh. Good.
Yung kung ano man masarap.
Ano yung lenggo or parang cheese?
Cheese siguro.
Look, you guys. Ano tawag sa kanya? Parang ruby. Parang rice sa loob. Fried rice.
Yeah.
So far, it really is a rainy visit. We're trying to check in. I don't know if we can check in early or if we can just leave the luggages and then we're gonna go find water and, you know, just things that we can leave at the room. And honestly, we're just trying to enjoy the trip. Kahit ganito yung weather, you know, may wala na kayo magagawa. I think rainy siya the whole time. We're here, so sad. We're here. Hindi lang ganun kaganda yung lighting. Pero ang bait nung ni Kuya. And naka-check-in kami early, guys. So we got 2 twin beds. Kasi sobrang likod ko matulog. And then they have an artwork. Mini fridge. Wow, we can store water. Closet space with a safe. We've also got a TV and an AC at the right side. Brad! Higa time sa kama.
Siesta.
Oo, siesta. Kasi din guys, 3 pa. Tapos 1 pa lang. Tapos 30 minutes away lang siya. And since umuulan din naman, hindi din kami makakapag like picture. Enough na yun, no? Pag umalis na yung 1:30, 2:00 nandun na tayo. May time na to picture in the square. Sana makita namin si Pope. Sana yun na lang yung kapalit ng ulan. Kasi ayaw talaga lumabas ni Mr. Saan.
Sabi mo pa na yung papaydig.
Yung saan?
Si Harry Styles.
Kanina nag-usap kami sa airport. Kasi si Harry Styles, nakikita namin sa TikTok na nandito siya sa Rome kasama si Zoe. Tapos parang dito na siya nakatira, I think for now. And sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya, huy, si Pope daw kahapon nandun sa Basilica, bigla lang siyang nag-pop out. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, pili ka, sino gusto mo makita? Si Harry Styles o si Pope?
Si Pope.
Sabi niya, si Pope na lang, pero mas grabe yung impact na si Pope. Kasi dapat technically merong parang Christmas Mass or papal audience pag Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Pero ang complicated pala kasi noon. Parang, magsa-sign up ka, super aga mo doon. So parang we were like, punta na lang kami doon sa church and sa Vatican Museums. Pero hindi na namin ipupush yung, dapat magki-Christmas Mass kami, di ba? Original plan.
Kung mapipili ka dun
Hindi din sure. Tsaka parang naisip namin, ang hassle, ang layo, 2 lang kami. Tapos gabi na yung mass, tapos gabi na uuwi. Ganyan. So today, ang aming agenda is St. Peter's Basilica, yung Holy Doors. Wait, lalapag ko kayo. Nakakawit siya din. Ayun, si St. Peter's Basilica kami. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung religious kayo or what, pero may Holy Doors na every 25 years lang bukas. And Jubilee year this year. So, I think last month na to, na open siya. So, yung isa, mapapasukan namin. And mahawakan namin yung iba.
Makaklose na ng 27. Iba-iba yung...
Iba-ibang date magko-close. January 9 magko-close. There are 4 holy doors around Rome. So, at least makakakita kami ng isa. And then, after nung St. Peter's Basilica, nandun na yung square kasi rainy nga, kung saan nagmimisa si Pope. And then after nun, Vatican Museum. And then yung ending ng Vatican Museum is Sistine Chapel. Bawal na mag-picture doon. So, out. Let's go explore a very rainy...
Dami sa ibang country.
very rainy Rome. We're gonna head to Vatican. We have like a 14-minute walk.
Holy City ka na.
Holy City. Smallest country in the world. Jollibee. Still raining. Pero ano, grabe feeling ko super hapon na. Pero mag-aalas 3 pa lang or mag 2:30 pa lang. Kasi sobrang gloomy. Goodness, we booked like yesterday last minute. Kasi sobrang haba ng pila nung without tickets. Oh my gosh, we're inside the square. Go through security and then we'll be inside the basilica. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Jana! Estamos aquí! A dream come true. Guys, we're in the middle. I think kung saan na mimisa din. Grabe. Grabe. Guys, sobrang dami dito nakalibing yung mga pope, tapos mga saint, ganyan. Dito tumitingin si Jana. Ay, natin na. Sobrang ganda. Tapos ang ganda talaga ng mga sculpture, no? Kakaiba talaga ang ano nila.
Medyo nasa Greece din.
Oo, grabe. Lalo na yung La Pieta dun sa unang part na nakita namin. Yung sikat na ano ni Michelangelo. Wow! Oo, di ba? Yung bato pa lang parang may ginawa. And St. Peter is the biggest church in the world. Tapos alam ko parang tallest or biggest dome din ng church. We're almost done. Grabe guys, look at that!
That's, I wish you were here.
Yes, we miss you, Tets. We're heading out to Vatican City.
Hanggang langit
Yeah.
na kami.
May mga tone pa ata to, pero hindi ko alam kung kasama ba yun sa ano natin. At gloomy pa rin po sa labas. Wow! What an experience. We're gonna head to Vatican Museum with Sistine Chapel. Tapos, yung ticket namin from 5 to 6:30. So, actually kulang siya, sabi nila, to see everything. So, pupuntahan lang namin yung mga masterpieces. Masterpiece naman silang lahat. Pero, yung mga super, super important, makita. Alam nyo guys, hindi namin alam kung saan kami lalabas dito sa square.
Nins.
Ay, hindi ako narinig.
Nins.
Ay, hindi talaga ako narinig. Ay! We're finally in after almost an hour na pila kasi ang daming tao. Tapos pabalik-balik sila. Like, pag hindi mo time, hindi ka nila papapasukin.
5 minutes na lang.
Kayo, true. So we only have like more or less like an hour. Tetay, this is for you. Mga ulo to ng mga gods na alam mo. Si Hercules, si Eros. Lahat ng nilala mo, Tets. Wish you were here. umikot pa rin kami. Hindi pa rin namin mahanap yung hinahanap namin. Kasi parang iikutin mo siya bago siya matungtong. So, sinusunod lang. Oo, ngayon walang mali. Sinusunod lang namin yung agos ng mga tao.
Maganda siya, kaya lang.
Maganda. The last time naglakad kami ng ganito, sa museum, sa Louvre.
Sinumpa na.
Grabe. Parang bago mo makita yung mga super sikat, dadaan ka muna sa lahat ng kwarto. Kanina dumaan kami, mga 5 kwarto ng vase. Ng vase. We saw it. And sobrang daming tao sa loob. Nakikinig ng mga audio guide. Kasi bawal mag-picture. We've been walking for hours and standing for hours. Simula sa Sistine St. Peter's. Ngayon lang kami nakaupo, guys. Sa sahig pa. Pero yung exit kasi mababa na spiral na lang. Wow, grabe. Parang mapuputol yung
Refill tayo ng
paa.
mamaya.
Oh my gosh. Sakit, grabe. Kaya nga lang kami saglit. We're in Trastevere neighborhood. And kakain kami sa isang sikat na restaurant with Ella. Hindi ko alam kung pinakita ko siya sa vlog last time, pero nakita niyo na yun sa vlog, work ko dati. Tapos, Pinoy din. Tapos yung best friend nun, naging ka-work ni Jana dati. So it was just like, you know, invisible strings. So, meet namin siya for dinner kasi nandito din siya sa Rome.
Area naman talaga. So,
Ella, say hi!
ayaw ka pala.
What a very, very wild night. And I'm just breaking out. Super rainy, but super fun because of Ella's friends and her boyfriend. They're from here. So sila yung kasama namin mag-dinner. So kahit grabe yung ulan, they showed us around to viewpoints. We walked around and all that. And wow, it was fun. It was really fun. Unexpected because I thought we're like, magdi-dinner kami and then we're gonna head home. But no, we really had fun outside. Yung sa Vatican, we were so rushed kasi 6:30 magsasara na, tapos 5 something na kami nakapasok. So if you're going to the Vatican, spend some time there. Like, mag-allot talaga kayo ng time. Nagmadali na kami pumunta ng Sistine Chapel at the end, which was sad kasi I missed a lot of paintings that I wanted to see. Parang may left and right side. Tapos isang side lang napuntahan namin and that took us like an hour. So I think the other things that I wanted to see were on the other side. Well, at least nakakita tayo ng konting paintings like the School of Athens, Sistine Chapel, and all that. So it's really good. And tomorrow, we'll see. We'll probably have to readjust the day kasi mas maulan tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow.